What is Hubbard Admin Tech in the academic study of Scientology? Imagine a system designed to keep a complex organization running smoothly and efficiently. That's what Hubbard Admin Tech is all about. It is a set of management principles created by L. Ron Hubbard, the founder of Scientology, to help run Scientology groups and businesses effectively. This system isn't just about managing people. It's about applying universal laws of human behavior and group dynamics to keep everything operating in harmony. Hubbard Admin Tech includes a key tool called the 7-Division Organizing Board. Think of it as a blueprint that shows 7 essential functions every successful organization needs. These functions include planning, communication, production, and finance. The idea is to create a clear structure that guides how groups work and grow. It's not just a chart but a reflection of natural laws that govern how organizations function best. L. Ron Hubbard spent over 30 years developing and refining these management methods. He wrote detailed policies and training materials for staff around the world. These policies are often called green on white technology because they are written instructions that distinguish them from the spiritual practices of Scientology, which are called red on white auditing technology. These management techniques are taught through courses and practical training, helping leaders and managers apply consistent methods to solve organizational problems. In the academic study of Scientology, Hubbard Admin Tech is seen as a unique management system. It combines Hubbard's ideas about human behavior with organizational science. This approach aims to create environments where individuals and groups can succeed. It is used within Scientology organizations to keep order, expand activities, and improve communication and productivity. Interestingly, Hubbard Admin Tech has also been adopted outside of religious settings. Some businesses and professionals have used these management principles to improve their own organizations. They see it as a practical system rooted in universal principles that can help any group function better. To sum up, Hubbard Admin Tech is a structured, research-based management system developed by L. Ron Hubbard. It is designed to help run and grow Scientology organizations and other enterprises by applying proven principles of human behavior and group management. It is a key part of understanding how Scientology operates on a practical level and how its organizational methods influence wider social and professional practices.